Happy holidays, everyone! Really quick, before we jump into this, I hope you know what is coming up now in January, and if you don't, where have you been?
Shout out to our first patrons. We'll never forget you all. Thank you for your kind gesture of supporting us as we get started. We're very happy to have you all on board, and we can't wait to see what lies ahead together. But for those of you that don't know,
Springtime, my pole sister and I were putting together a Patreon. We're going to have a floorwork tier and we're going to have a pole tier. So for those of you that don't have a pole and you just like the floorwork elements, please check this out. I think you will be very happy with what we are offering and the prices that we're offering things at. If you have a pole and you want to continue in your pole journey or start in your pole journey, we have an all-inclusive pole dance tier, which includes the floorwork stuff as well. And it's such a good buy. I mean, it's so much for so little. It's a big bang for your buck, and I really think you are going to want to be part of this Chrome Club. And what's cool about Patreon is when you join, you get access to everything that was already uploaded previously. So obviously we're starting in January with new material, but that library is going to grow over time. And as long as you are a member, you will have access to that library over time. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a pretty cool library. So check us out. The link will be in the description below for you to go and read all about the tiers and what they offer. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below and I will get back to you ASAP. We are rolling with this come January 1st. I cannot wait to see who joins in and becomes a Chromie. Woo! Okay, so I really wanted another pair of 9-inch babies. So we did it. We went with 9-inch matte black faux leather. These are the Infinity 909 in the black faux leather, black matte color. The buckle is silver. And what I love about these is these were actually my first pair of heels in a 6-inch height. So now we're talking 3 more inches, you know. And I still have them. The little 6-inch ones, I still have them and I still use them. They are still loves of my life. I use them especially for floor work. The shorter heel is, in my opinion, more fun to dance with when you're doing floor work because I don't know about you, but I have long shins. So when I have long shins with a high heel, it's harder to do certain poses on the floor. So the shorter heel really helps me nail certain poses when it comes to floor work, and the heels are less heavy. So, but you can do floor work in 9-inch heels. Why not? Anyway, I'll most likely be using these for my pole stuff. And yes, I'm going to try them on with my Christmas socks because I want to. It's the holidays. Why not? Oh my God, I love them already. They're so nice. For me, these are the size 6, okay? I'm between sizes, I'm a 6.5. And I have found that when I size up with sandals, it's kind of a disaster for me and they're too loose. As it is, you can probably tell, I have very thin ankles and that creates a problem of instability with my sandals because there's always a big space here. When I'm dancing, like it's not like the sandal is nice and firm to my foot. But I've learned to kind of work with that. And if there are days that I need a little extra support, maybe most of you already know that I use those little ankle straps that are clear and I put them around. Anyway, let me try to stand up. It's beautiful too. Here we go. Boom. Yeah. Oh my God, they are so cute. I love them. Love them. Nice clack as well. I'll take a nice clack any day. Let's take them for a spin, yeah? Beautiful heels.